Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel TechUp. In this video, we will learn on how to log into a Gpc Connect Employee account. So let's get started. First, open any browser of your choice. Then in the search bar, type in Gpc Connect Employee Login. Then hit enter. Then tap on the website with this URL. And here you need to provide your login credentials to log into your account. So type your username in the text field given for your username. Then type your password in the text field given for your password. If you have forgotten your password and want to reset it, you can do so by tapping on this text unlock or forgot. Now to log into your account, simply tap on this login button after you're done providing your login credentials, and you'll be logged into your account successfully if you got your credentials correct. And guys, that was it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, consider liking this video and subscribe to our channel TechUp for more contents like this. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update. Feel free to drop any of your queries or questions in the comment section below. I'll get right back to you. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.